அஸ்ஸலாமு அலைக்கும் வரஹ்மத்துல்லாஹி வபரகாத்துஹு. இன்னைக்கு 11th ஸ்டாட்டிஸ்டிக் பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஏற்கனவே நான் சொன்னேன், ஆல்ரெடி we have said you today we are going to discuss practical sums. So the first question is like that. What they saying, construct a steam leaf plot. Construct a steam leaf plot for the following data. Find range, mean, median and mode of this one. So data is here. Okay, so how you are going to write in exam, that I will write you. So title is what will come now, steam and leaf plot. And that you write, that is the title. And here experiment number 1, experiment number 1, and date will write. Okay, leave as such empty. So this is the things we have. The first one is aim. Aim is what? To construct a steam leaf plot. Steam leaf plot for a given data. And calculate range, median and mode. So that you write it. That is the aim. We want to find what now? To construct steam leaf plot, and then from that one calculate range, median and mode we need to do. Okay, so that is the first thing. Okay, next one, second step is formula. What's the formula is there for range? Range is L minus S, largest value minus largest value minus smallest value. That we need to do here. Median, what you are going to do? Mid value. Then next what we have, mode. What is the mode now? What you are going to do? Time occurring most frequently. That you write. Okay, so this is the things we need to find it here. First we will written name, next formula, and then next we have to do a calculation part. What's a calculation part is that in this one means, in practical note you will write in left side, but here you are going to write in continuously. So for the given data is the data, we need to ascending order AO, ascending order we need to do. What's ascending order? From the data you just pick it. Here the smallest value 72 is there. Check 72 the smallest value, and then 73. So what we will write? 0.72 comma 0.73. The next one, what it's coming? 73 is over. Then 0.7 is not there. The 9 you check, 0.91 is there, so you write 0.91 next value. The next one again you check, 0.91 is here, so 2 more 0.91. So likewise you pick the data here, right? After 0.9 what's the value is there here? 0.4 is there, 0.94 is there, so that you write 0.94. Next one 0.94. After 0.94 0.98 is there, and then 0.99 is there, so that two value 0.98 0.99 that will come. I have written here. Okay, so that I have written, so 0.98 and 0.99. Now after this one, what is that? 1 you can check. So 1 is 1.01 is that, so 1.01. Next one after 1.01, what is that? You check 1.01, 1.03 is there. So therefore 1.03 you write. And the next one, what is that? 03. After 03, what is that? You check it. 06 is that 1.06. And the next what we are having, you just write it. 06 and 11 is that 11. Then anything else here? No, 14 and 1.19. 1.8 is that. Before that one, 1.08 is that I'm writing right, 0.18. And the next one we have 98. After 11 is that here, and then here somewhere 13 is there. So this is 1.11 and 1.13 is that written, and 1.13 after 14 is there. So that's why 1.14 we'll write. After 1.14, what is that? 1.14. This is over 179 I have written. 0.79 I have written. No, this data is missing. So 0.79 here it will come. 0.79. So that you write it here. It is missed. So 1.21 is the the next one. 1.21. After 1.21, what is that? You check. In this entirely over here, 1.19 is that. So that you write it 1.19. Here it should come actual 1.19. If miss also, you can write in the middle putting arrow mark. So it will be, so 1.19 is that. Then next 1.144 is that. 0.88 is that. 0.88. I missed here. So here you can write 0.88 here. So that is also you mark. And then 1.14 is that finally. So 1.44 is there. Is there any data is missed? You check it now. 0.1. Okay, so there is one data 1.39 is there. So that don't miss. That is will come here 1.39. So it's while I'm writing I missed that one. So please carefully. So that 1.9. So I have arranged the data in ascending order. 0.23, 0.37, so 7988, and then likewise it's going entirely. Now how to construct steam leaf? I'm going to the next page. You just carefully see. Here we have steam and here we have leaf. So that you keep it in mind and make a box here. Okay. So this is the thing. What is a steam leaf means? Actually it's a tree. In tree what we will have steam. In that steam what we will have leaf. So same thing. See here. Here all are after 0.2 numbers are there. 2 digits are there. Here 72 is that. So how will you write now? You will write 0.7 here. 0.7. The next number 2 here. Okay. So next one what is that? Same thing 0.73. So actually 0.7 is there. One more steam is 3. So likewise. And the next one what is there? 0.79 is there. So 0.7 is there. You just write 9 here. So only the leaf you are writing. So mind steam you are not writing. So that you are writing here. Next one you see 0.8, 0.88. Only one number. So what you will write? 0.8. 1 here. Here what will come? 8. Next what will come? 0.9 here. So in 0.9 1 is there, 1 is there, 0.91, 0.91. So 2 1 is there. So you write here 2 ones. So 1 comma 1 comma. And the next one what is that? You can see 0.94, 0.98, 0.98. So on 0.94, 0.98, 0.99. So 489. So you can write 0.94, 0.98, 0.99. So this is the data we have written. After this one 9 is over. Then we have 1.0 you can take. So I am taking here 1.0. In 1.0 first number is what? 1.01. So 1.01. Next one that is that 1.03. So that's you write 1.0. Here 3 will come. The next one what is there? 1.06. So 1.0 is here. 6 next will come. The next one 1.08. So 1.0 is here. Then you next you write 8 here. The next one similarly 1.1. So 1 point here you write 1.1. So I'm writing together, you can see here 1.11. So 1.1 in 1, 1.13, 1.14, 1.19. So 1 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there, 9. So you write 1, 4, 3, 1, 3, 4, 9. No? So 1, 3, 4, then come on 9, you write it. The next one 1.2. What is 1.2? So the 1.2 is what here? 1.2, 1 is there. So 1.2 in 1. So 1.2 and 1. So next we have 1.3. What is the 1.3? In 1.3, 9 only is there. So that's why 1.3, 9 you write. The next one, finally what we are having? 1.4. In 1.4, what is that? 1.44. So that's why it's coming 1.44 you write. This type of writing a number is nothing but what? It's a stream leaf plot chart. Okay. So after this one you need to find range. Range is what? L minus S. What's the L here? What's the largest value? 1.44 minus what you are going to do? 1.7 smallest value 0.72. Subtract. So here I am writing. You use calculator also, and it's not an issue. So 0.72. In 4 2 gone 2. So 14 7 is 7. So the answer is 0.72. Range is here 0.72 will come. That's the value for range. The next one, median. Mid value we need to find. First you count how many numbers are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. 20 is the 20 in a mid value. It's what? 10th term plus 11th term divided by 2. That you need to do. What is the 10th term? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 is 1.1. 1.1. Then next one 1.01 plus 1.03 divided by 2 is there. So that is the value. So 1.01 1.01 1.03 added not 2.04. Okay, so now 2.04 divided by 2 now. So 2 ones are 1 2. So balance 0.04. So 0 you added, 2 2s are 4. So that's answer is you can say 1.02. And the next one, mode. Mode is what here? Maximum occurring. What is the maximum? Here 1 1 only. It's 2 times it's repeated. Nothing is repeating here. So what's the 0.91? So mode is here 0.91. So that's the thing we have written here. So now finally you write the results. Okay, so this is rough, leave it here. Result I am writing here. So results, what you will write? For the given data, steam and leaf plot is drawn. And range, what's the range? 0.72. And median 1.02. And then mode, right? 0.91. In this way you need to write the results. Is it clear? So this is the way of writing the answer for the practical examination. Okay, so this is the way. So construction first, the next title and experiment, aim, formula, then calculation. That calculation part is going after that one. These are all, these things will become in left. Finally result you need to write it. For the given data, steam leaf plot is drawn and range, median and mode of the given data. You can write it here. It's not a issue, right? Okay, next experiment will go. Okay, next question. What the question is, you just have a look on it. What they're saying, construct a bivariant frequency distribution table for the following data of the 20 students. What's that one? marks in economic, marks in statistics. They have given like this table. Okay, bivariate means two variable. What's the one variable is economic marks, another variable statistics marks. So for this one, how you are going to write means by first experiment, here you will write experiment number 2. Okay, the next one date. I told you leave it as. Next one, what you are going to do here, title bivariate. Bivariate, you write it title. Next one, what is that? Aim. What you are going to write? Aim. What's the aim for this one? What's the aim? To find, you are going to do to construct bivariate frequency distribution. Bivariate frequency, I have written frequency distribution, that you write. That is the aim. There is no formula at all for this one. Straight away calculation. So in calculation, what you are going to do? Aim is written. Next one, calculation. Here economic, in this one, here it is a stat. You can see economic will goes on horizontal way, statistic goes on vertical way. Now you look at the marks. It's a very important. So you see that what is the maximum minimum work here. So 15, 12 is the minimum work. 23 is maximum here. Here also same. Okay, it's 12 it's coming, and then maximum mark is 23. So here 12 now, you take a lowest one. So what I am going to do, 10 to 12. Likewise interval you frame it. And then next what you are going to do, 12 to 14, 14 to 16, 16 to 18, 18 to 20, 20 to 22. I'm writing here, so carefully write because we need to finish it off here. 22 to 24. Space is not done, please adjust it. Okay, 20 to 24. That is the thing we have written here. Now similarly, stat marks you see 21, 20, 21, 20 is the minimum. So far here also maximum is 23. So what I am going to do, I am going to take 20 is minimum now. The lowest one is 18 to 20. Then 20 to 24 to, then 22 to 24 you take. So that 24. 24 is maximum, that's why you take one more you want, you can take it. 24 is that, so therefore that is 24 to 26 you write. This is the way we have written. Okay, now you just likewise you table. Now data you check. So now this is very important for calculation. Same thing we are going to write one more time. That's it. So now economic marks 15, stat marks 20. Where is the 15 in economics here? Okay, 14, 15 economics. 15 and stat marks is 20. 20 will come here. So that is the lowest. Here one line. That's it. Next one 12. 21. Where is 12? Here is the 12. Economic marks. 20 is where? Here. So therefore here one line. Next one 17, 22. Where it is 17 here, here. 17, 22. 22 is here. So it's minimum. Here also is that upper don't take, lowest you take. That is the thing. Next one 20 to 21. So where is the 20? Economic 20 marks is here. 21 is here. So here, so just mark it here in this way, in this manner. Okay, the next one 23 to 20. Where is 23? Economics 23 is here and 20 is here. So this mark, you mark it 1. And the next one 14, 22. What is that? 14, 22. Economics mark is 14. Here it is 22. In this cell will come. The next one 22, 21. So economic marks is 20, 21 is here, same. Here it's coming, repeating 2 lines. The next one 18, 24. 18 is where it is here, 18 and 24 is here. So that's why here it will become 18 to 24. Next one 15 to 23. 15 where it is 15 here and 23 is here. So again it will come here, repeating. The next one 21, 22. Economic marks 21 here and 22 here. So here it will come. The next one 10, 24. What is that? 10 to 24. 10 to 24. Where it is 10, 10, 24. So 10 is not here, 24 is here. So I write it here. And the next one 16, 22. What is that? 16, 22. Economic mark 16 here, 22 is here. So here repeating. The next one 22 to 23. Where it is 22 here, 22 and 23 is here. So here it will come. Next one 18, 20. 18, 20. Where it is 18, 18, 20. 20 is what here, here. The next one 16, 20. Where it is 16 here. 20 is where it is here, here. Here it will be more. Next one 15, 23. 15 is where here, 15. 23 is here. So here will come 15, 23. The next one 17, 20. 17, 20. Here. The 19, 20. 19, 22. Here it will come. 15, 24. Where it is 15, 24 is here. The next one. Finally 20, 23. So 20, 23. In this case. So in this way you have filled each and every data. Now same thing only you are going to write here. So same strategy. Economics and stat. Here what it's coming? 18 to 20, 20 to 22, 22 to 24, 24 to 26 will come. So now here we are going to write 10 to 12, 12 to 14, 14 to 16, 16 to 18, 18 to 20, 1, nothing. Here it is 1, nothing. Here 14 to 16, 3. Two, and then here it is 1. So that's the thing. In this way you need to write the entire data. Okay. In printing there will be a mistake, so don't worry about it. That is not an issue at all. Okay. After doing this one, please carefully note this one. Totaling is very important. What's the totaling? No? You can see here. Here nothing. So 0. So 1 plus 2, 4, 5, 6, 8. So here it is 8. And then 1 plus 3, 4, 6, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. And here it is 2. So that is 8 plus 10 plus 2 is 20. It's coming. Same way, vertical way. 1. Here it is 1. So 1 plus 3 plus 1 is 5 and 4. And this is 3, 4 and 2. So now add 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. 14 plus 4, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. So our data is correct. So in this way you need to write the entire table. I have done, I told you I will do 5, but I will do only 2. You please write and send me. Inshallah, we'll see in the next class. Thank you. Wassalam.